Greetings once again. It's Mr. Shajwai here, and welcome to Back to Basics. Look, what we are still examining basically, it is our arithmetic sequence, and now we are looking at the exam type of questions. This is example number 3. Please ensure that you've watched the first 3 videos so that you can at least be in an understanding of what we are dealing with in here, right? So now let's see in terms of what is it that we are going to do now, firstly here. So now they are saying, look, now in an arithmetic sequence, the second term is 1 and the seventh term, right? And the seventh term is what? And the seventh term, it is going to be given by what? It is going to be what? It is given by 16. Now, they want you to find out the what? The first 3 terms of the sequence. Now, what is it that you're going to do to find out the first 3 terms of the sequence? Now, you are going to say, look, we know that when you want to express this, you're going to simply say, now your arithmetic sequence, it is given by Tn is equals to your A plus open bracket n subtract 1 close bracket your D. And now, which means when you say your term number 2, it's going to be given by what? Which means you're going to say this is going to be A plus what is the value of your n in here? Your value of your n in here, it's same as 2 subtract 1 close bracket. Do you know the value of your D? We are not sure of our value of your D, right? Of our D. So which means basically this is going to be same as A plus, when you say 2 subtract 1, it's going to give you 1. 1 plus D, it's going to give you a D, right? So basically, which means the second term, remember the T2 represent the, what your term value. So which means here, you can simply just say your 1, right? So basically now that is going to be the first thing. And now what you can do here, now when you're having this, you can now make either your A or your D the subject of the formula, right? Now, let's say, for example, you make your A to be the subject of the formula, which means now your value of your A is going to be given by what? Your A is going to be given by what? 1 subtract your D, 1 subtract your D. Basically, that is going to be what? And we are going to make this to be our first equation. For the second one, now that you can see the pattern, we are saying your term, what? Your term 7 basically is going to be given by A plus what? It's going to be A plus your 6D. Isn't it so? So basically that is going to be that. Remember here it was 2 subtract 1. So there it's going to be 7 subtract 1 and then multiply by D. So basically it's going to be like this. And now, which means what is going to be your term 7? It's 16. So this is same as 16 is equals to A plus your what? Plus your 6 D. This is going to be now regarded as our equation number 2. And now you can solve these simultaneously. So, right? So what is it that you're going to do? Simply, you can say now substitute 1 into what? Into equation 2. And then now when you're substituting 1, basically you're substituting where there is A. So which means you're going to say this is same as 16 is equals to where there is A now. You're going to write what? This is going to be 1 subtract your D, close bracket, plus what? Plus this is going to be your what? This is going to be your 16. And now that you are still here, this is same as what? This is going to be same as your 1 subtract your D plus your what? Plus your 16. Isn't it so? And now when you're doing that, this is same as 16. So you're going to take the number and group the like terms, right? So which means when you take this one, this side, it's going to be negative. So which means here you're going to have 15 is equals to, and then 6D subtracts D is going to be 5D. And then you are going to divide by what? Now we are going to divide by 5. Now we are going to divide by 5 so that you find the value of your D, which is going to be given by 3. And now since you found the value of your D to be equals to 3, then you're going to go back and substitute in here, right? And then you're going to say substitute what? D into your equation 1, right? Into your equation 1. Remember your equation 1 was given by A. So this is going to be same as A. Now E is equals to 1 subtract the value of your D is what? It's same as 3, which means basically the value of your A that you are going to have here, it's going to be same as 1 subtract 3, which is going to be negative 2. Isn't it so? So basically that is going to be that. And now that you have the value of your A and D, Have you answered the question? No. Find the first three terms of the sequence. Already you know that the first term of the sequence is represented by A, which means this is going to be same as your -2. That's your first term. And now the second term is, what is the difference that you found? You found out that the difference is what? It's 3. So you're going to simply say -2, and then this is going to be +3. And then you're going to find out what is going to be the answer this side. The answer that you're going to find this side, it's going to be same as 1, right? Similarly, when you say 1, now the difference is given by what? By +3. Then when you say 1 plus 3, you are going to find what? You are going to find 4. So basically, these are going to be the first 3 terms of this particular sequence, right? Hopefully this makes sense to you, and thank you very much.